Scary facts about plastic. Less than 30% is collected for recycling. More than 80% of marine litter is plastic. 91% of plastic is not recycled. 500 million plastic straws are used every day in the US alone. 1 million plastic bottles are purchased every minute. The ocean contains more microplastics than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. 2 million plastic bags are distributed across the globe every minute. Approximately 50% of plastic is used only once then thrown away. Please switch to reusable alternatives. Follow for more and visit our website